Hey loves, Dima as always, welcome to my channel. If you're new, kindly tap that red subscribe button on your interface, turn the bell icon on so you could be notified on my future videos. In today's video, we are going to be making a hair growth treatment for hair thickness and for darkening of the hair. If that looks like what you're interested in, please keep on watching and I'll be right back. Welcome back. So our first ingredient is going to be guava leaves, fresh guava leaves. FYI, everything that grows out from the ground is a potential hair care product. Feel free to use natural ingredients. They are 100% natural, so feel free to explore, drink them, use them in your hair and also inhale them. You can never go wrong with natural ingredients. If you have been on this channel from our day ones, you will agree with me that we have explored guava leaves in the past on this channel. A lot of you have also come up with feedbacks on how it has helped your hair stop shedding and breaking. Feel free to do your research. Here is a few background information. The vitamin C in guava leaves boosts collagen activity and hair growth. Vitamin B found in them also help build hair strands and strengthen scalp. Both vitamins are essential for hair growth, so using guava leaves for hair growth will not disappoint you. Just so you know, guava leaves can darken your hair. They equally have the ability to stop hair loss and make it grow back with vigor. So I just finished plucking and cutting my guava leaves, and now I'm washing them and transferring them into my blender, and it's ready for blending. So my next ingredient is going to be aloe vera. Aloe vera is rich in proteolytic enzymes that heal and repair damaged cells in the scalp. In turn, improves the health of hair follicles and boosts hair growth. Proteolytic enzymes also stimulate the dormant hair follicles, promoting regrowth of hair. This special enzyme found in aloe vera effectively break down dead skin cells on the scalp that may clog hair follicles. Aloe vera also contains vitamin A, C, and E. All three of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. I just finished prepping my aloe vera, getting the gel out, so I popped that into my blender, added some water to it. You already know this process and I need not explain. After blending, I tried sieving with my cheesecloth to collect all the chaff and then get the proper juice, the green juice. Here is how you can use this juice. After shampooing, deep condition, then follow up with this treatment. Use this treatment to saturate your hair. I'm going to be demonstrating this on how you can use this treatment on your hair. Try to work in sections. Working in sections makes life easier when doing anything to your hair. You can use this treatment once a week depending on your wash routine. I recently shared a wash routine / hair regimen on my community tab. A simple hair regimen that you can follow. Please check that out. A lot of you are confused on which hair regimen to follow, especially while washing your hair. I shared this freely on my community tab. Please, after watching this video, kindly go check that out. This is the treatment you can do on any wash day you choose from that post that I shared on my community tab. If your wash day is once a week, every weekend, depending, use this treatment immediately after deep conditioning. Use this treatment on clean hair. You can equally use it as pre-poo, spray it on your hair and then use oil to coat your strands. and then allow to sit overnight, and then wash off with shampoo the next morning. You can never get enough of this treatment. You can use it as pre-poo and as proper treatment on wash day. You can equally use this treatment as a steam. You can use this to steam your hair on wash days. So kindly check that out, and it will help you in growing your hair. If your hair sheds so much, like most of you come to my comment section to complain that your hair sheds so much, why not remain consistent with this treatment? It's inexpensive. You don't need to buy anything, except for those of you that are in the diaspora that can buy aloe vera in stores. Kindly try out this treatment and see how it works for you. Also, do not forget to share your feedbacks. I'm so grateful for those of you who have been sharing your feedbacks with me in the comment section of most of my videos. Thank you so much for sharing. That really goes a long way to show that all these treatments truly work. You can equally see how thick my hair has become. Check my scalp area, the roots of my hair. You can see how thick it is. That is why I always love to work in sections. This is what herbs can do for you if you remain consistent with them. They are 100% natural, and you can never go wrong with them. If you like, use a lot on your hair. They are safe to try. Can you see my scalp area? Can you see the thickness? This is what you get from using herbs. Do not let anyone deceive you. Ayurveda is bae. They really help a lot with hair growth. I recently trimmed off 2 inches plus of my hair a month ago, and I can tell you that it's already a month and my hair is growing back so fast, and I'm grateful for that. So guys, try your hands on herbs. They help a lot. Can you see thickness? Can you see the thickness? You can barely see, you can't even see my scalp. You get to see results from using herbs. I've been growing my hair with herbs. I love to use herbs in my hair. You can even see the result from this video clip. I tried blowing out my hair with a hair dryer and see how thick and long my hair is. My hair is actually 4 years natural this year, 2021. I have to stop here. Thank you so much for watching.